This holiday season, you can walk into every party with confidence. Try out these 4 easy hairstyles that are sure to turn heads. I'm Art, a beauty expert here at JCPenney, and the holiday season is upon us, which means a bunch of exciting holiday events are on the way. Whether it's a family gathering, a company party, or just a festive hang with friends, the holiday season can be the perfect time to take your style to the next level. Your hairstyle should be no exception. Some of our favorite products here at JCPenney Beauty will help you get these looks over the finishing line. Things like an amazing curling iron from Hot Tools and a lasting hairspray from Sexy Hair are just some of the products we will be talking about today. Whether you're aiming for something playful or something sophisticated, we want you to walk away from the video with everything you need to nail that perfect holiday look. Finding the perfect hairstyle to fit your vibe can feel like a daunting task. Sometimes it can seem easier to stick with what you have that's tried and true. Thankfully, the holiday season is the perfect time to break out of your routine and play with some new looks. The key is to experiment and have fun with your hair. Try out different hairstyles, accessories, and hair products to create looks that reflect your personality and make you feel confident. First, I want to show you how to nail some of the classic glam looks. You might feel out of your depth when you're trying to go big, but rocking these styles doesn't have to be intimidating. Whether you're hitting up a fancy party or taking yourself for a classy night out on the town, our first look is the perfect go-to option. I'm talking about bold, glamorous curls. This style is both gorgeous and timeless. And once you get the hang of it, you will have it down pat forever. You're going to need a curling iron for this look, but before you get started, you'll want to grab some heat protectant. The Joico Defy Damage Protective Serum is our go-to. Not only is it affordable, but it also adds a little boost of hydration, which is a nice bonus. Once your hair is prepped, you can grab your trusty curling iron. We love the XL Black Gold Curling Iron from Hot Tools because it's got a decently long barrel and it's over 1 inch wide, so you'll get a really nice shape to your curl. To get started, you'll want to wrap a small section of your hair around the barrel of the curling iron. Hold it for a few seconds before releasing. You need to hold it long enough to make sure that your hair has the hold, but not long enough to damage your hair. Once you feel you've gotten the rhythm down, you can repeat this process until your entire head is beautifully curled. Now hear me out. As fun as the early 2000s were, we don't want those unnatural, overly shaped curls. To avoid that cringy walk down memory lane, you'll want to gently tousle those curls to create an effortless, glamorous vibe. You can finish off the look with a light mist of hairspray for long-lasting hold. We like the So Touchable Flexible Hold Hairspray from Sexy Hair because it will give your curls the flexible hold, keeping your look in place without making your hair stiff. A much different look than the curls, our next style is about glamour. I'm talking about the glass hair trend. If you're aiming for a sleek and glossy look, you'll absolutely need to give this look a try. This sleek, ultra shiny look is downright sultry when you get it right. You'll want to start by applying a leave-in conditioner spray like the one from Urban Hydration. And let me tell you, this works. This spray will nourish, soften, and hydrate hair, making sure it's prepped for the sleek style we're aiming for. Next, blow dry your hair using a round brush. You'll want to really focus on smoothing and straightening each individual section to make sure you've got the best base you can manage. To add an extra touch of shine, grab the Keratin Complex Shine Spray. Lightly mist it over your hair. This spray will give your hair that coveted, glass-like shine and help tame away any flyaways or baby hairs. If you have thinner hair, that may be enough to give you a glassy look. But if you have thicker hair, more textured hair, You'll want to heat up your cheese straightener to tame away any problem pieces. If you've never used a cheese straightener, you're missing out. Once you have, I'm telling you, you can never go back. It effortlessly tames and straightens even the most unruly hair. Hit your finished look with a bit of hairspray to keep it all in place. And you're set. Sleek, glassy hair that is sure to impress at all of your holiday parties. For this next look, we're going for the best of both worlds, half up, half down hairstyle. It's classy, but it's also playful. So it's perfect if you're having trouble deciding. To start, you can break out that cheese straightener again, or you can grab your Hot Tools curling iron if you prefer a curly base for this look. Start by straightening or curling your hair until you've got the right amount of control in there. Once you're happy with it, gather the top section of your hair and secure it with a stylish clip or hairpin. I recommend the Monet Flower Beret because it adds the perfect finishing touch for a romantic or glamorous holiday look. Once that's secured, hit your hair with that so touchable, flexible hold hairspray again to keep it in place. You don't want to use too much though, for it will leave your hair crunchy. You also can make this a big, voluminous look. If you want to mix it up, in that case, you can skip heat altogether and start with a damp, clean head of hair instead. The key to this look is going to be the Party Hair Mousse from Sexy Hair. This will add some volume and texture to your hair, giving it a little extra oomph once it dries. Once you've got your desired volume, gather a section of hair from each side to create a voluminous poof and secure it with these A&A gold pins. You can use bobby pins, but I like these because they make a bigger statement and really elevate the look with minimal effort. Now that we've got our hairstyles down, it's time to take your holiday looks to the next level. We've picked out some of the best accessories and products that will take these the extra mile. First up, we have Holy Curls Discovery Kit, a must-have for anyone who wants to embrace their natural curls and add some extra bounce and definition. This kit has got all the essentials to enhance and care for your curls, including the curl enhancing shampoo, conditioner, and styling products. With Holy Curls, you have the perfect foundation for any curly hairstyle. Next, we have this clip set from Kish. This hair clip set is both functional and eco-friendly, since it's made from recycled materials. Not only are they a stylish accessory that you can wear out on the town, but you can also use them to keep your hair out of your face while applying your makeup. They're designed not to leave creases, so it's really forgiving once you're ready to take them out. I think it's also safe to say that no holiday look is complete without applying a pop of color. That's where this lip-to-cheek product comes in. This product doubles as both a lip color and a cheek tint. It will give you the beautiful flush that complements any skin tone. It's small, so you can slip it into your bag to touch up throughout the night. Plus, it comes with a bunch of different shades, making it easy to find the right one for your unique skin tone. And last, but certainly not least, we had to mention one of our favorite lipsticks, the Bullet Lip from Bossy. This lipstick is a powerhouse. It offers bright, bold color, and it's long-lasting, making it perfect for any party. By incorporating these accessories and beauty products into your holiday looks, you can create a head-turning style that reflects your unique personality. Just remember, looking good starts with feeling good. Choosing the right look and products for your vibe can leave you feeling like the best version of yourself. And I think that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found it helpful and informative, and that you feel like you have the right tools in your arsenal to walk away confidently into any event this season. If you still have questions or want the best tips and tricks for your unique hair, we want to help you find the right products. Stop into any JCPenney, and our beauty experts will gladly point you into the right direction. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to stay up to date on all things makeup, hair, and skincare at JCPenney. What looks are you rocking this holiday season? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.